You want to make money? Real money? YouTube is your answer. Forget the old ways. The world is changing and the digital age is here. Traditional jobs are no longer the only path to financial success. YouTube offers a platform where creativity meets opportunity. Imagine turning your hobbies into a lucrative career. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. YouTube is the new gold rush. People are making millions. You can too. From vloggers to gamers, from educators to entertainers, the possibilities are endless. The platform is a melting pot of diverse content and there's room for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, YouTube provides the tools and audience to help you succeed. Think about it, millions of viewers, billions of hours watched. Every day, people are searching for content that entertains, educates, and inspires them. Your unique voice and perspective can capture the attention of this vast audience. The potential reach is staggering, and the impact you can make is profound. That's a gold mine of opportunity. Just like the gold rush of the past, those who seize the moment and put in the effort can find incredible rewards. But instead of panning for gold, you're creating content that resonates with people around the world. The treasure you discover is not just financial, it's also the fulfillment of sharing your passion and connecting with others. People are making a living on YouTube, some are making fortunes, you can join them. What's your passion? Whether it's sharing your daily life, teaching a skill, or entertaining with your unique talents, there's an audience waiting for you. The journey may start with a single video, but the possibilities are limitless. Your passion can become your profession. Gaming, cooking, makeup. The beauty of YouTube is that it caters to all interests. No matter what your niche is, there's a community of like-minded individuals eager to watch, learn, and engage with your content. Your creativity and dedication can turn any interest into a thriving channel. Whatever it is, YouTube welcomes you. Share your knowledge. Share your passion. The platform is built on the foundation of diverse voices and perspectives. Your story matters, and there's an audience out there that wants to hear it. By sharing what you love, you can inspire and connect with people from all walks of life. Turn your passion into profit. With the right strategy and consistent effort, your channel can grow into a significant source of income. Monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise can turn your creative endeavors into a sustainable business. The key is to stay authentic and committed to your vision. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, it takes hustle. But the rewards? Life-changing. Building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and resilience. There will be challenges along the way, but the journey is worth it. The skills you develop and the community you build are invaluable. Are you ready to crush it? Let's go! The time to start is now. Embrace the opportunity, put in the effort, and watch your dreams unfold. Your gold mine awaits. Stop dreaming, start doing. The time to act is now. You have a unique voice, a perspective that the world needs to hear. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Every great journey begins with a single step, and today, that step is creating your YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is easy. Go to YouTube, click Create a Channel. Follow the simple prompts. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Just a few clicks and you're on your way to sharing your passion with the world. That's it. You're in the game. Now choose a name, make it catchy, make it memorable, make it yours, upload a profile picture. This is your brand, your identity on YouTube. Think about what represents you best. A great name and a recognizable profile picture can make a big difference. Let people see your face, connect with your audience. Authenticity is key. People want to see the real you. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Smile, be genuine, and engage with your viewers. Building a connection with your audience is crucial for your channel's success. Next, create your first video. Don't overthink it. Just start. Use what you have. Your phone is a powerful tool. Set it up, hit record, and speak from the heart. Share your story, your knowledge, your passion. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Your phone is your camera. Talk about your passion. Share your knowledge. Hit upload. Don't worry about perfection. The most important thing is to get started. Every video you make will teach you something new. You'll get better with each one. The key is to keep going. Boom! You're officially a YouTuber. Celebrate this moment. You've taken the first step towards something amazing. Remember, every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are now. It's a journey and you've just begun. Enjoy the process and keep pushing forward. Remember, done is better than perfect. Perfection can be the enemy of progress. It's better to have a finished video that you can learn from than to have an idea that never sees the light of day. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep improving. Your first video won't be perfect, and that's okay. It's a starting point. Every video you make will be a step forward. You'll learn new skills, discover what works, and find your unique style. Embrace the journey and be proud of your progress. That's okay. Keep learning, keep improving, keep uploading. Consistency is key. The more you create, the better you'll get. Watch tutorials, experiment with different techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every video is a learning experience. Keep going and you'll see progress. What's your thing? Gaming, cooking, makeup. Find your niche. Become an expert. People crave expertise. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific audience. Target your content. Speak their language. Research popular channels in your niche. What are they doing right? What can you do better? Find your unique angle. Stand out from the crowd. Remember, your niche is your community. Engage with them. Respond to comments. Build relationships. Your community will become your biggest fans. Content is king on YouTube. Create high-quality videos. Make them informative. Make them entertaining. Keep viewers engaged. Grab their attention in the first few seconds. Use catchy titles. Create compelling thumbnails. Hook them from the start. Keep your videos concise and to the point. No one wants to watch a boring lecture. Use humor. Use storytelling. Keep it interesting. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity shines through. People connect with realness. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Build your tribe. Attract and engage subscribers. Subscribers are your lifeblood. Treat them like gold. Engage with them. Respond to comments. Build a community. Promote your channel on social media. Share your videos. Join Facebook groups. Network with other YouTubers. Get your name out there. Collaborate with other creators. Cross-promote your channels. Reach new audiences. Grow your tribe exponentially. Consistency is key. Upload regularly. Set a schedule and stick to it. Your subscribers will come to expect and appreciate your consistency. Turn views into cash monetization methods. Now let's talk money. YouTube offers multiple monetization methods. First, enable monetization on your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you're eligible, turn on ads. Earn money from pre-roll, mid-roll, and banner ads. The more views, the more revenue. Explore sponsorships. Partner with brands. Promote their products or services in your videos. Get paid for your influence. Sell merchandise. Create your own branded products. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Your fans will love to rep your brand. YouTube stars inspiration to fuel your fire. Look at PewDiePie. He started with simple gaming videos, just a guy and his computer. Now he's a global phenomenon with millions of subscribers and billions of views. His journey from a small-time gamer to one of the most recognized faces on the internet is nothing short of inspiring. PewDiePie's success shows that with passion and dedication, you can turn a hobby into a thriving career. Or take Mr. Beast, for example. Known for his outrageous stunts and incredible acts of philanthropy, he has redefined what it means to be a YouTuber. From giving away millions of dollars to planting trees, Mr. Beast uses his platform to make a real difference in the world. His creativity and generosity have earned him a massive following. And then there's David Dobrik, who turned vlogging his daily life into an art form. His infectious energy and genuine interactions with friends have made him a beloved figure on YouTube. These creators have millions of subscribers and lucrative brand deals. They have built empires from scratch, starting with nothing but a camera and an idea. Their success stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. They show that with the right mindset and a lot of hard work, you can achieve incredible things. These are just a few examples of the many YouTubers who have made it big. Each one has a unique story, but they all share a common thread. They followed their passion and never gave up. They faced challenges and setbacks, but they kept pushing forward. Their journeys are filled with lessons and inspiration for anyone looking to make their mark on YouTube. These YouTubers started with a passion. They were consistent. They built a community, and they crushed it. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. Regular uploads, engaging with your audience, and constantly improving your content are essential steps to building a successful channel. They didn't become stars overnight. It took time, effort, and a lot of dedication. Their stories are proof that anything is possible on YouTube. Whether you're into gaming, vlogging, stunts, or any other niche, there's an audience out there waiting for you. The platform is vast and diverse, offering endless opportunities for creativity and growth. These success stories are not just about fame and fortune, they're about following your dreams and making an impact. Let their success fuel your fire. Use their journeys as motivation to start your own. Remember, every YouTube star started somewhere. They were once beginners, just like you. They faced doubts and fears, but they didn't let that stop them. They took the leap, and so can you. You have the potential to achieve greatness. Your journey might be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Embrace the process, learn from every experience, and keep pushing forward. The next big YouTube star could be you. So get out there, create, and let your passion shine. Hustle and patience, your keys to success. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes hustle, it takes patience, it takes a lot of hard work. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep creating, keep uploading, keep promoting. Your time will come. Learn from your mistakes, analyze your analytics, see what works and what doesn't. Adapt and improve your strategy. Most importantly, never give up. Believe in yourself. Believe in your content. Keep pushing forward. Success is within your reach. Now go crush it. Your YouTube empire awaits. You have the knowledge. You have the tools. Now go out there and crush it. The world of YouTube awaits. Start creating. Build your community. Monetize your passion. The possibilities are endless. Remember, I'm in your corner. Now go make it happen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.